Walmart Pay only works inside the Walmart app, and only at Walmart stores or supported Walmart fuel stations, while Google Pay works across millions of stores, apps, and online checkout pages worldwide. By the end, you'll know exactly how both payment systems work, where each one actually works in real life, and which one makes more sense depending on how you shop. Here's the difference. Walmart Pay is built specifically for Walmart checkout systems. You open the Walmart app, scan a QR code at checkout or a supported fuel station, and the payment is processed through your saved card inside the Walmart ecosystem. It is tightly controlled and only works where Walmart has enabled it. Google Pay is a broader digital wallet. You can use it in stores with contactless terminals, inside mobile apps, and on websites that accept Google Pay as a checkout option. It works independently of any single retailer. Now here's what that means in practice. If you shop mostly at Walmart, Walmart Pay can feel simple because everything stays inside one app. You don't need to pull out a physical card, and receipts are automatically stored in your Walmart account. But if you shop at different places, Google Pay is more flexible because it works anywhere that accepts Tap to Pay or Google Pay checkout. There's also a key difference in how they connect to payment terminals. Walmart Pay uses QR codes scanned at checkout counters or fuel pumps. Google Pay uses NFC Tap to Pay on your phone when you hold it near a compatible reader. That difference affects speed. Tap to Pay with Google Pay is usually faster because you don't have to open a QR scanner step before payment. Security is similar in both systems. Neither shares your actual card number with merchants. Instead, they use encrypted tokens to process payments. So the decision comes down to where you shop most often. If your spending is heavily centered around Walmart, Walmart Pay is convenient and integrated into their ecosystem. If you want a single payment method that works almost everywhere, Google Pay is the more universal option. Summary. Walmart Pay is store-specific and works only inside Walmart systems. Google Pay works across many retailers and apps. Walmart Pay uses QR scanning, while Google Pay uses Tap to Pay. Next step is simple. Check where you shop most often, and choose the system that matches your daily routine instead of trying to use both everywhere. If you want more clear comparisons like this, subscribe for more simple breakdowns.